Welcome back, my dear students. I hope you all are very fine and doing well in studies. In the previous video, we had done some experiments to prove the presence of the starch in the leaf, and also the chlorophyll is very important for the photosynthesis. In the same way, in this video, we are going to prove the presence of sunlight and carbon dioxide is also essential for the photosynthesis. Okay, so whatever is the essential requirement of the photosynthesis, we are going to prove that. Okay, chlorophyll, presence of chlorophyll we had already proved. In this video, we are going to only prove the presence of sunlight and carbon dioxide is important. Okay, so without any delay, let's start. Okay, photosynthesis is the process in which carbon dioxide, water is used in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to make the sugar and release the oxygen. So what will happen if the sunlight will not be there? Obviously the photosynthesis will not be completed, and if the photosynthesis will not be completed, then the starch will also not be present in the leaf. So please recap that if the starch is present in the leaf, that will turn blue black in color, and if that is not turning blue black in color, it means the starch is not present. Okay, now let's start our video. Before doing this activity or experiment, what you have to do? You have to bring the plant into your room. Why into your room? Because whatever food is stored in the leaf, that will consume by the plant. Okay, because 2 or 3 days if you are keeping that plant into the room, so whatever stored food are there in the leaf, that all will utilized by the plant, and the amount of starch will be reduced. Then what you will do? Again you will put that into the sun. Okay, into the sun you will keep that plant again in the sun for 1 day, and that day you will put one sellotape, black sellotape on the leaf in exactly same what I have shown in the picture. In the middle of the leaf you will take black sellotape and you will paste that. Why we are doing this? So that the sunlight could not be absorbed only on that part what we are covering. Okay, because in this video we are going to prove the sunlight is important now. So we are using a strip or paper to cover only some part of the leaf. Okay, so that part could not be able to absorb the sunlight, and rest of the open area of the leaf can absorb the sunlight. Okay, after 2 days, after doing this wrapping of the leaf with the black tape, okay, what you will do after 2 days, you will again do all that activity that we have done to test the starch. That means you have to plug that leaf which you have covered, you have to boil that into the water, then you have to put into the alcohol, and at last you have to put the iodine solution. Okay, but this time what you will see? You will see the part that we had covered with the black sellotape has not turned blue and black in color, as you can see in the picture very nicely, and the green part of the leaf which was not covered, which was open, that has absorbed the sunlight and turned in blue black in color. What this is proving? This is proving the green part of the leaf has turned into the blue black. That means they had done the photosynthesis, and that's why they are having the starch. Okay, and they had turned blue and black. That means it is proving green part has done the photosynthesis. But what about the part which was covered? That covered part was not absorbed the sunlight because that was covered with the black tape, and that's why they had not done the photosynthesis. If the photosynthesis had not done, that means the starch was also not present. Okay, because they had not prepared the food and they had not stored the food, and that's why when we are putting that iodine solution on that part, it is not converting blue and black. So this activity is proving if they will absorb the sunlight, then and then only the photosynthesis will happen. Okay, you can easily compare both the part. Okay, let me show you. This part is blue and black. Why? Because this was opened and this was absorbing the sunlight, but this part has not turned blue and black. Why? Because it was not absorbing the sunlight and the photosynthesis had not happened. So I hope you all have understood how much the sunlight is important for the photosynthesis. Okay. Now we are going to discuss the second activity. This is to prove the presence of carbon dioxide. Okay, chlorophyll is important, we had already discussed. Sunlight is important, that we have discussed in this video only. Last we are going to prove that carbon dioxide is also very important. But before that, what I am going to explain the process of the absorption of the carbon dioxide, right? Carbon dioxide is always absorbed by the stomata. Okay, so what we are going to do this, we are going to use the Vaseline. Why? We are going to put this Vaseline on the leaf, on the surface of the leaf. In the plant, one leaf we are going to apply with we are going to apply the Vaseline on one of the leaf. Okay. Why we are doing this? So that by covering with the Vaseline and the pores will be closed, the stomata will be closed and they will not be able to absorb the carbon dioxide from the air. Okay, then what will happen? Okay, so you have to apply the Vaseline on both the surface of the leaf, upper surface and lower surface, so that it cannot absorb the carbon dioxide from the air. Okay, and then you have to put this plant for 2 to 3 days in the sunlight. Okay, in the sunlight if you are putting, and after 3 days what you have to do, again you have to repeat all the process of for the starch test. You have to plug both the leaf. Okay, one leaf which was not applied the Vaseline and one leaf on which you have applied the Vaseline. Okay, and if both the leaf you are boiling into the water, both the leaf you will put into alcohol, and on the both leaf you will put the iodine solution. But after putting iodine solution, what you will see? You will see the leaf which was not applied with the Vaseline is turning blue and black in color. That means they are having the starch. Why? Because Vaseline was not applied and pores was open and they were absorbing carbon dioxide. But the second leaf, okay, the second leaf which was applied by the Vaseline, they were covered by the Vaseline properly and the stomata was closed and the carbon dioxide was not absorbed, and that's why photosynthesis had not happened, and that's why iodine is not converting this leaf into blue and black. So what we are proving through this activity, we are proving this through this activity is, if the pores will be open, then carbon dioxide will be absorbed. Okay, so carbon dioxide is very important, because this is the first leaf where the carbon dioxide was absorbed and this is the second leaf where carbon dioxide was not absorbed. So when they are absorbing the carbon dioxide only, then the photosynthesis was happened, and that's why they were storing the starch. That's why it is changing into blue and black in color. But the second leaf was not absorbing carbon dioxide and photosynthesis had not happened, and that's why they have not turned blue and black in color, because it is not having starch only. So with this video I want to conclude, we have proved all the thing in this 4 experiment. We have done 4 experiment. 2 experiment we had done in the previous video and 2 experiment we have done in this video. The previous video was about the starch, proved of presence of the starch and presence of the chlorophyll is important. In this video we had discussed the sunlight and carbon dioxide is very important. I hope you all have understood. Don't be confused. If any confusion is there, then please watch this video again and again. Thank you for watching. Keep learning.